So hello everyone, today I'm going to show my Mad-1 project. So Mad-1 project of my 24 term influencer and sponsor engagement. So this is my I'm running my router python app.py. Yes, it's running on a local host. I am opening it in a Chrome browser. 127, yeah, this is the main page for a influencer or a sponsor login. A registered influencer and sponsor can log in from here by entering his username and password. For admin login, I have made a separate page. Here I have made a one static admin1 and his password. He can log in from here. And for the registration part, I have made a separate registration for influencer and a sponsor, influencer registration and a sponsor registration. So I am doing one of the registration. Let's suppose a sponsor 44, password, email ID, select industry, let's fashion, his budget. Yeah, registration successfully completed. Now he can log in from here. So the changes also reflected in my database also. So let's now login for one existing sponsor. So I have one sponsor one and his password. This is the dashboard for the sponsor one. I have registered for I have logged from for it. So this is active campaigns, all the campaigns that has been started by this sponsor. Summer sale, winter sale, these are the campaigns started by him. Ad requests, all those requested that he has created. Public ad request, private ad request, campaign request, the request which comes from the influencer side. If an influencer want to participate in this Amazon Great Indian Festival campaign, he will uh, send a request to this sponsor that I want to participate in this campaign. So this request has come from the influencer 3 side and its status is pending. I can also accept it, reject it. Okay. So for the active campaign, I can view it from here. I can view it and I can also edit it. Yes, edit it. Let's suppose I am changing this budget to something else. Sorry, it's already 5. Let's 80,000. I have saved change campaign added successfully, edited successfully. Yes, I can also delete it whenever I will click on the yes delete it. It will be deleted. So I perform CRUD operation on this active campaign. I can also create an campaign from here. Yeah, campaign name. Let's suppose Big Billion 24. Anything I am entering here. So starting date, ending date, its budget maybe 40,000, visibility public or private. Let's create a private ad request. Sorry, campaign private, public campaign, strengthening the brand image. Okay, campaign has been successfully created. Yes, I can see from here Big Billion 24. I can view it, I can edit it, I can also delete it. Yeah, so I have performed CRUD operation on active campaigns. The same CRUD operation the ad request. I can view the existing ad request, I can edit it, and I can also delete it. So, and one more thing I have implemented here is that if the status is accepted or rejected, I cannot edit it further. Yeah, I can say it. I cannot edit it. I can only edit the pending requests. Okay. So this was the for the ad request part, and I can also create private ad request, public ad request. So I have recently created one private campaign, so I'm creating one private ad request. So all the campaigns which are private I can see here. Yeah, you can see here Big Billion 24. I have recently created a private campaign, so it is visible here. Means all the campaigns which are private I can see here in the new private ad request. And the influencer part, all the registered influencer I have recently registered these many influencers here. So these are the influencer. So what message do I want to give? I can type anything. Requirements to post, how much you will pay. Let's 4,000. Yeah, you can say 150 rupiya dega. And initially the status is pending. So create ad request. The ad request has been created. You can see ad request 14. I can view it. Yes, to post pending 200. I can edit it, delete it. Yeah, its status is pending. And I have created this ad request to influencer ID1. Okay. So I have performed the CRUD operation on active campaigns, ad request, and the campaign request that has been that are going to receive from the sponsor influencer side. So on the find page, and a sponsor can find all the registered influencer. I have 4 influencer. So all the data of the influencer are here. He can also filter it. So let's suppose I can filter it on the basis of reach. So I want all those influencer whose reach is greater than 500. So minimum reach is 500, maximum reach, let's suppose I've 10,000 of 100, 10,000, yeah. So whenever I will click on the filter, yeah, I have a three influencer, influencer one and three and seven that have a reach greater than 500. Okay, and I can also search it. So if I want only the influencer whose niche is fashion, so I wrote FASH and I searched. So those influencer who niche is fashion, I can see here, and I can also search from here by name. Let's suppose I want to search influencer 3, INFLUENCER influencer 3, and I search it. Yes, I got it. So I can search it on the basis of name, on the basis of niche, okay? And I can also filter it on the basis of race. So this was all the part of the sponsor part. Now I'm going to, yeah, recording is going on. Yes, 1 second. Yes. Hmm. So now I am going to log in one influencer. Let's influencer one and its password. Yes, this is the man dashboard for the influencer. So welcome influencer one. I have registered for the influencer one, so it's showing influencer one on the accepted request, head request, and explain all of them. In the add request part, the request that has come from the sponsor side. Let's the sponsor side that if you want to a sponsor have requested this influencer that get participate in this campaign. So the requirements, the yes, from here you can see these are the add request. These add requests are going to shown here. Yes, a short video and a reel, 5 post, 2 post. If he will accept it, it will be get shifted to their part. Yes, when I accepted it, yes, that add request gets shifted into accepted request, and these all changes are uh, reflecting in my database also. The campaign request, the request which a influencer sends to a sponsor. So on the find page, yes, I can see all the, on the find page an influencer can see all the public campaigns, only public campaigns he can see. There are these many public campaigns I have. So he can see it from here. He can request, he can send request to the influence to the sponsor. Yes, request has been sent. So I'm going to show you the request. Is that request has been sent or not? Yes, yeah, you can see here influencer one want to participate here. When I can accept it, reject it, whatever I wanna. So this was all for the sponsor and the influencer part. Now I'm going to show you the admin part, what admin can do, what admin can see. Yeah, this is the man dashboard for the admin. This bar graph shows the total number of registered campaign, total number of ad requests, total registered influencer and a sponsor. The same data is represented in the form of tables: total campaign 7, total ad request 13, number total registered influencer, total sponsor 4. Recently activated table. Last campaign started. Last campaign I have registered one campaign Big Billion 24. So I can see here last campaign started. Last influencer registered was that. Sponsor registered was this one. And the top influencer. Top influencer means those influence that influencer have the most number of ad request. I have made that a top influencer. So top influencer, I have influencer one means influencer one have the maximum number of ad request among all the registered influencer. So this was the man dashboard of admin. From the find button, find page, you can see all the campaigns, registered campaigns. We have 9 campaigns. You can see all the details of the campaign, visibility, goal, all details, ad request, all the campaign ID, request, message, requirement, payment status. He can see all of them, and all the registered influencer. I have 4 registered influencer. He can see all the details of it, of him, and all the details of the registered influencer. He can also flag him. So I'm going to you to show first the search part. So if he want to search on the basis of, let's suppose name, let's I have summer. So he can search summer cell, all the results related to SUMM, he can see it. And all other the search part I have implemented on the visual public private, he can also see it. So I am flagging one of the influencer one, I flagged him. So after flagging, that influencer got shifted into the flagged influencer part, and the influencer one cannot log in anymore. So let's log out and influencer one. Yeah, he cannot log in. You are flagged and cannot log in. So let's unflag him. So yeah, it was, where was he? Yeah, I'm unflagging him. So this was the brief overview of my Mad-1 project. And one more thing I have implemented, if I type the random username or password that does not exist in my database, it will say user not found, please register. If I select the registered influencer and the wrong password, it will throw a same error, your password or user may be wrong.